Hi, my name is Taylor. I'm a kinesiology student at the University of Saskatchewan. Today I will be teaching you how to do a deadlift. Deadlifts are very important just because they replicate activities that we do in daily living, such as going from sitting to standing or lifting up heavy objects off the floor. The goal is to do the exercise properly in the gym so that muscle memory will be built up and then we will be able to transfer that exact same movement into our daily life. When we do pick up heavy things off the floor, when we do go from sit to stand, we have that muscle memory and that movement memorized that it's just automatic. Lower back pain is also one of the most common injuries in the general public. And so doing a deadlift will help to prevent that lower back pain by teaching you how to properly bend over and pick things up, or things that replicate that kind of movement so that we're not bending with our back when we're rather bending with our knees and our hips. The deadlift is also very important because it is a multi-joint exercise that involves both the upper and lower body. It requires you to extend at both the knees, hips, and back, making it a multi-joint exercise, and then also flex on the way down from lifting the weight. So yeah, we're gonna go head down to the gym now, and I will do a little demonstration on how to do it properly, and then I'll get you doing it yourself, and I'll make some corrections and make sure that you're doing it right.
So you're going to want your hands on the outside of both of your feet, and you want your hips fairly high. Like you still want enough of an angle on your back so that your back is parallel. You want it more a little bit higher than what you want. Back needs to be straight the entire time. You want your neck to go. You don't want it to be up. You want the barbell to be halfway over your feet and tied up in the line of your body. To be very close to your shin, but on the way up, the barbell should straight your skin or straight your shin. You grab the bar in an over or over under step. Just up by the knees. And then we're going to lift your belly first and then our hips. When we get to the top, we want to bring your shoulders back in order to keep it steady out of that shoulder level. And this one after lift, you want to bring down safely. One more time. The bar over top of your feet, a little bit closer. Your shins should be basically touching the bar when you bend over to pick it up. You want your hands just outside of your each leg so that your arms can almost push in your knees. And your back looks straight, so when you're ready, see a little bit of thoracic flexion there that we would want to fix to make sure when she lifts heavier weight it moves. Okay, straighten out the back. The second you're done there, you go to flattening out and keep your core nice and tight. And make sure you're thinking about bringing your belly button to your back. And now lift. Perfect. And now keeping that core nice and tight. Do it one more time, keeping the bar nice and close to your legs. So in the last video, Chelsea's hips were really high, so we're going to work on fixing that today. So drop your hips a little bit more. And that looks okay. So then lift. Keep the core really tight. Contract. Okay, all the way up, now down. Keeping your back straight. Keep that tummy sucked in. And and go one more time. Go to the left knee, you can see that the flexion goes away, and her chest is like parallel to the floor this time. Now that we dropped her hips a little bit more than normal, but even.
So now that we've seen you deadlift, we're going to give you a little bit of a program to follow so that you can start lifting a little bit more as you deadlift, and also just to get used to the movement and just get stronger so that you can feel more comfortable doing that lift properly. I don't know if you've ever heard about the FIT principle at all, but it's just basically a way for us to easily give you a program to follow that you can understand it and kind of do on your own. So the FIT principle stands for frequency, intensity, type, and time. So the frequency is going to be about 3 to 4 times a week, maybe 5 if you can. Whatever fits into your schedule best to get you starting to go to the gym a little bit more often. The intensity should be about moderate. So you don't want it too fast that you're not doing the movement properly, but you also don't want it too slow that the movement is kind of being broken up. You want it to just be one fluid motion. And then for the type and time, you want to be doing strength exercises. You want to be doing about 3 sets with somewhere between 8 to 12 reps. And that'll obviously vary on the exercise that you're doing and the weight that you're lifting, but you want it to be somewhere in that range. Yeah, so then we'll start there, and then we'll keep checking back on how your deadlift is doing, and hopefully be able to add some more weight and help you get more comfortable with that movement.